Think you've heard the most mysterious bird calls on Earth? Think again. These are 5 forest floor birds from Borneo you need to hear before you die. Number 5. Jose's Partridge, a ghost in the mist. Number 4. Red-breasted Partridge, a burst of fire under the ferns. Number 3. Crimson-headed Partridge, its call cuts through silence. Number 2. Bulwer's Pheasant, the forest's hidden jewel. And number 1. The legendary Bornean Peacock-Pheasant, a song so rare, most will never hear it. But now you have. Or have you?